Hey everyone, what's crackin'? Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be making a recipe for this video. I am going to be making Paleo Almond Butter Cups. So as some of you guys may know, I eat a paleo-based diet and I'm also allergic to peanuts. So I've never actually had a Reese's peanut butter cup, but everybody's obsessed with them. And recently I tried these keto almond butter cups and I can finally understand why everybody's so obsessed with Reese's peanut butter cups. They were delicious, but unfortunately they were a little bit expensive. So today I'm going to be giving it my best shot at making my own version of a paleo almond butter cup. So if you guys want to see how I made these, then keep watching and let's get cooking. Alrighty, so the first step in this recipe is we're going to actually cut up our dark chocolate into smaller pieces. You can use dark chocolate chips if you have them, but this will allow you to more accurately measure your dark chocolate out, and it also will help it to melt quicker. So I wanted 1 cup of dark chocolate, so I think that took me about 2 bars of dark chocolate, but like I said, you can use dark chocolate chips or regular chocolate chips, whatever you desire. So then I just poured that into a cup, and then you are going to want to get a double boiler set up. So you'll put water in the bottom pot, but not so much that the water touches the bowl, because if it touches the bowl, it will actually burn the dark chocolate. So then you're going to put 3 tablespoons of coconut oil in there and let it melt, and then add in your dark chocolate. And you will want to stir this continually until it has completely melted, because dark chocolate burns very easily, so if you stop stirring, it will burn. Once your dark chocolate has melted, you will set that aside to cool for a little bit, and then you will line a muffin tin with liners. You can use paper ones, but the silicone ones make it easier for you to pop them out of the lining. Then you're going to take your dark chocolate and put that into the bottom of each liner. I used about a tablespoon in the bottom. You don't want to use too much dark chocolate because this will make it really rich, and you might just get a big bite of chocolate rather than an equal bite of chocolate and almond butter. So don't use too much in the bottom layer. You can always add more over the top later. Once you have put the chocolate in all of the liners, you will take a 1/2 cup of almond butter, 1/4 cup of honey, or you can use agave or maple syrup if you want to make it vegan, and then you will take a tablespoon of coconut oil and melt that all together into the microwave. This is the consistency that you'll want after it's all melted together. Kind of liquidy, but not super runny. Then I took about a tablespoon of the almond butter and put that into each cup. You want to make sure that there is almond butter evenly distributed into the chocolate, so that when you take a bite, you're not just getting chocolate, you're getting an equal bite of both the almond butter and the chocolate. Then you're going to put that into the freezer and let it set for about 15 minutes. And then once it has set, you will cover the tops with your leftover dark chocolate mixture. Then this next step is optional, but I took a pinch of sea salt and put that on about 1/2 of the cups that I made, because 1/2 of us in the house like the salt on our candies and then the other 1/2 do not. Once you have put the salt on them, you will put those in the freezer and they will set for about 20 minutes, and then this is the finished product that you get. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and comment and let me know what video you guys want to see me do next. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!